One of the big choices you have to make when starting a WordPress site is which theme to use. WordPress themes make it easy to style your site without having to design and hand code it yourself. You just upload a theme file, activate it, and boom, your website has a brand new design. You can create your own theme or hire a developer to create one for you, but it's much easier and cheaper to use a pre-existing theme. And there are thousands available, so you should be able to find one that's just right. WordPress comes bundled with a default theme that gets an overhaul about once a year, and you can use that for your blog if you want to keep it simple. But since it is the default theme, it's used on a huge number of sites, so it'll be harder for you to stand out in the design department. When it comes to WordPress themes, there are free themes and premium themes. Most free themes are available from the theme repository on WordPress.org, which is also accessible directly through the themes section of your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can browse through the many available themes using filters to narrow your search. Then when you find one you like, you can see a live preview and install it on your site. For paid themes, there are a ton of different places to look. Just Googling is a good start, but one of the most popular places is ThemeForest, a marketplace where independent developers sell their themes. When you purchase a theme, you'll usually get a zip file that you can upload directly through the WordPress dashboard to install. Paid themes are often of a higher quality than free themes, but there are plenty of solid free themes out there if you're working with a limited budget. Choosing the right WordPress theme can be a time-consuming process, but it's totally worth it when you find a theme that makes your site look just the way you want.